Welcome back to our AI series. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of neural networks. Let's uncover how they mimic the human brain to solve complex problems. Neural networks are a series of algorithms modeled after the human brain, designed to recognize patterns. They interpret sensory data through machine perception, labeling, and clustering of raw input. The basic structure of a neural network includes layers of nodes: the input layer, hidden layers, and the output layer. Each node, or neuron, is connected to others and has an associated weight and threshold. When data enters the network, it passes through the nodes, each node processing the input and passing it on. The key is the activation function, which determines if a neuron should be activated or not. Neural networks learn by adjusting the weights based on the error of the output compared to the expected result. This process, known as backpropagation, is repeated until the network correctly recognizes the patterns. Today, neural networks are used in various applications like voice recognition, image classification, medical diagnosis, and even playing chess. So, neural networks, with their ability to learn and adapt, are a cornerstone of modern AI. They demonstrate just how much we can achieve by mimicking the intricacies of the human brain. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more AI insights.